After years of proudly serving the nation, retirement should feel like a well deserved pause, a chance to relax and enjoy the rewards of discipline and sacrifice. But for many veterans, that peace never truly arrives. Instead of confidence, there is confusion. Instead of clarity, there is hesitation. Terms like financial planning, SIP, asset allocation, equity, all sound like foreign language. It can feel overwhelming. I have observed that many veterans struggle when it comes to investing their retirement fund. So, in this video, I want to talk about why so many veterans find retirement investing such a struggle and, more importantly, what we can do about it. Whether you have just stepped into civilian life or have been navigating it for a few years now, this video is just for you. Here are 10 reasons why veterans struggle with retirement investment. Number 1, fear of losing hard earned retirement savings. Number 2, no clear post retirement financial plan. Number 3, lack of focused goal driven investing. 4, poor asset allocation, either too safe or too risky. 5, overloaded and confused by online advice. 6, trying to do it yourself without any expert help or guidance. 7, underestimating the retirement length and the costs involved. 8, relying solely on pension or fixed income. 9, fear of scams causing inaction. And finally, 10th is the unable to find a trusted advisor who truly understand veterans. So, how to invest your retirement funds? For this, you need a clear, risk managed, long term financial plan that respects your mindset, your needs, and your goals. Here is a basic framework we use at Defensive Investments that is built specifically for veterans. Number 1, start with goals, not products. Retirement is not just about survival, it's about living well. Define what you want: monthly income, travel, children wedding, grandkids education, health emergencies. Once your goals are clear, your investments have some purpose. Number 2, allocate wisely across all asset classes. Don't just dump everything into one basket. Build a mix of exposure to stock for long-term growth, mutual fund for compounding and diversification, hybrid funds for balance and stability, emergency funds to handle life surprises. Number 3, use STPs instead of lump sum investment. Instead of investing 50 lakh rupees in one shot, use systematic transfer plan to stagger your entry. This will reduce risk considerably and builds wealth without losing peace of mind. 4, beat inflation, don't just avoid loss. Your enemy isn't just volatility, it's inflation. A fixed deposit that gives 6%, but if the inflation is at 7%, you are losing money in disguise. Safety doesn't always mean smart investment. You don't need to take reckless risks, you just need to take well managed risk. This investment approach comes from my own experience. During my Air Force service, I developed a deep curiosity about how stock market functions, what are the risks involved, and the rewards it offers. With that knowledge, I achieved financial independence by the age of 45 and chose voluntary retirement, not out of compulsion, but by choice. I wanted the freedom to live life on my own terms. Since then, I have managed my retirement and finances exceptionally well, building long lasting wealth that supports my lifestyle and goals. Having successfully navigated this journey myself, Defensive Investments is here to help you invest your retirement savings wisely so you can grow your wealth, without sacrificing your peace of mind. And that's the goal. And here is what makes defensive investments different and why veterans trust us for investments. Number one, veteran led, veteran focused approach. We have lived your journey. We understand your values, your fears, and your goals. Number two, risk first, not returns. We protect what you have earned. Our strategies prioritize capital safety and steady growth over chasing quick returns. Number three, truly personalized support. Your goals, your lifestyle, your comfort. Everything we do is tailored specifically to your needs. No templates, no shortcuts. Number four, no mis-selling, no hidden costs. We don't sell products. We offer honest, transparent guidance. 5. Simple, clear, and actionable. No jargon, no confusion, just clarity. 6. Your trusted financial partner. We are more than advisors. We are your long term financial buddy, committed, reliable, and trustworthy. 7. Long term wealth, not short term noise. Our focus is steady growth that supports your lifestyle and legacy from 1 CR to 5 CR and beyond. So, just to conclude, investing after retirement doesn't have to be confusing. With the right partner and the right plan, you can turn your 1 crore into 5 crore easily. If you are a veteran and serious about growing your wealth with clarity and confidence, we can help you. Let's talk. Send a message or call on 9890151134. We are happy to help. Happy investing. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind.